If you're looking for a place to go to and see some amazing decorations, we've got the place for you.
Don't go away.
We're at Gaylord Opryland Resort today in Nashville, Tennessee. And we want to tell you about some wonderful decorations they have here. And if you're in this area and it's Christmas time, then you need to make the time to stop and walk through the hotel.
It is a large, you'll get your steps in, I mean acres of decorations. So we encourage you to come and take a look at it. And while we're thinking about it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. And
Give us a thumbs up.
Yes.
Now the hotel itself is free, so you don't have to pay anything to get into it. But there are some things on the outside of the hotel that there's charge for, and we're going to give you a kind of little peek at those so you can see. If you have small children or something, I think they would be more worth it than we've done them several times.
So let's get to the jolly.
There's actually a boat that runs through the middle of the hotel. You can rent seats on, and it goes through the waterway all through the hotel. So there are a lot of trees that they have set up through the Opryland Hotel, and this is a poinsettia tree. It's really cool and really, really tall. So this is an area outside of the Opryland Hotel, Gaylord Resort, and it is super decorated.
And as I look around, your eyes.
So we hope you've enjoyed this tour of the Gaylord Opryland Hotel Resort.
Yep, and we sure did. We have been here several times, and we encourage you to come out and visit it. Like I said, most things just to walk is free, but there's a lot of places to eat and a lot of things to do, and a lot of things to do with the family too. So we encourage you to come do that anytime you're near Nashville, Tennessee during the holiday season.
And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.
And hit that notification bell so you can get the notification of the next video.
Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
Go RV America!